Today, I want to jump into the 3 most common mistakes that I see with my clients as small business owners trying to promote their products and services so that I can help to offer you solutions on how to fix it. Okay, so the first and most common marketing mistake that I see, and I see this time and time again with so many of my clients, is that you are making your marketing about you. You say, hey, my name is X, my business is Y, and I sell this product, and you should buy it. And the issue with this is that this kind of marketing is all about me. And when we think about marketing our business, we actually need to be keeping our customer in the forefront of our mind. And I actually talked about that in this video right here, where I discuss all of the things you need to know before starting your business. And if you're thinking, well, Danielle, I already started my business a long time ago, it doesn't matter. You should still definitely watch that video. So I want you to think about when maybe you're reading the newspaper or maybe you're scrolling through YouTube, what entices you to click on a title? The fact is that headlines matter, and you're more likely to click on or watch or read something that you can in some way relate to, right? Well, the same goes for the content that you create to market your business. You need to focus on engaging your client in a way that entices them to want to click and to read and to watch and to see what it is you have to say. In fact, that's likely what got you to watch this video, was you read the title or you saw the thumbnail and you thought, hey, that's exactly the problem I'm facing. I'm going to see what Danielle has to say and see if it's helpful for solving this problem in my own business. And so I encourage you to start brainstorming hooks that you can use either in your TikTok videos, your Instagram reels, your Instagram captions, the titles of your blog posts, or maybe even the thumbnails on your YouTube videos. So some of my favorite examples that I use time and time again would be something like 3 steps to achieve XYZ, the best tip for getting outcome ABC, or how I went from blank to blank. Typically thinking about, the lesser valued version that we once were and what we overcame to become the higher valued version of ourselves. Each of these suggested hooks offers your ideal client not only a solution to the problem that they're facing, but also gently nudges them in the direction of whatever that product or service is that you're trying to sell them. And so in doing this, in offering that ideal client these solutions, you're starting to build that rapport, that know, like, and trust that I talk about in so many of my videos. So let's move into the second mistake that I see most small business owners making in their marketing, and that is not having an effective call to action in the content that you are creating. So you might be wondering, what the heck is a call to action, right? And so a call to action is something that encourages your follower, your client, your viewer to engage with the content that you are creating. So when I say, hey, if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, that is a perfect example of a call to action that I am giving to viewers of my YouTube channel. And so in all of my TikTok videos, I always end it with, if you have questions, please let me know in the comments. Or on Instagram, I might write something like or comment on this post if you can relate to this message. In any case, it allows the individuals consuming your content to feel safe in engaging with your content, but also to build, again, that rapport that gives them that sense of community and desire to want to come back and consume more of your content in future. And of course, ultimately, hopefully buy something from you one day. Call to actions are integral in inviting and attracting people to build a relationship with you until they are ready to buy whatever it is you are offering. Okay, lastly, mistake number 3, and this might be a little bit less obvious, is that we as marketers get sick of what it is we're selling. Or better yet, we tend to get sick of our own marketing. As small business owners, I think there's sort of this phenomenon that happens where we're living in this bubble and we think that because we have this business, everyone knows we have this business and they know who we are and they know what we sell. Honestly, I think this mentality is quite generous of other people, or our perception of other people, because no one actually cares about you as much as you think they do. Sorry. That being said, there's also always new people coming into your circle and they're not familiar with who you are and what you do. And so these new people might stumble across a piece of content that you've created and they're totally unfamiliar with what your products or services are. And so that's why it's so important that we always have this understanding that not everyone knows who we are and what we do. And so addressing this mistake not only comes down to being willing to show up and talk about who we are, what we do, and how we can help someone improve their lives. But it also comes down to being willing to continue to show up and talk about that thing over and over and over again. I actually have another really great video that explains this in more depth. If this is something that you're interested in learning a little bit more about, you can go ahead and just click this video right here, and that will guide you through exactly my process of really nurturing that relationship with those clients and potential clients, future clients, clients that don't exist yet, and why it's so important that we keep showing up every single day. Okay, friends, if you feel like the marketing in your business sucks a lot, I hope that these 3 tips are helpful in allowing you to improve the methods that you're using in your small business so that you can improve your marketing strategy, reach those ideal clients, nurture those relationships, and make more money. As always, if you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comments below. I would love to chat with you, and I'm always looking for inspiration in what should I talk about in my next video? So it's always appreciated. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button, click the subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.